Hello bachon, welcome to GATE Wallah. In this session we are going to talk about those students who are going to or who are actually thinking to start preparation for GATE 2028 and in what way, in what step they can follow, in what way they can start their preparation, and during the preparation what are the points they need to stick to so that they can get very good rank with the in the GATE 2028 exam. And in this preparation journey, what are, I will say, the steps you have to follow, what are, I will say, things which you don't have to do or you have to avoid doing that part, so that if you want a very good rank in GATE 2028, that can be possible for you. So let's start the discussion for all of you. First of all, the first phase, the preparation phase, the first phase is to understand about the whole syllabus, whichever exam you are preparing. Like right now I'm talking about GATE. So for GATE, the complete syllabus you have to understand first. Once you have understand the syllabus, then you have to finish the entire syllabus at least once. You have to complete the syllabus, you have to understand the subject, make the class notes, make the short notes part, everything you have to maintain in a proper way. Focus on concept, standard textbook and PYQs are required for you. For concept understanding and the, I will say, the question practice and all, already we are providing you in the batches format. But somebody who is going for self preparation also, they can use the standard textbook for that. Then next phase comes, which is the strengthening and the PYQ practice. As you know, if you understand the subject for a GATE point of view, that is different thing, or that is the first step. But if you want to get very good mark in the GATE exam, you have to be very in a good position, in a good command over the numerical part. Then only you can get a very good mark, or then only you can get a very good rank in the GATE exam. Now if I talk about the second round, which is the strengthening and the PYQ practice, second round of study with the intensive PYQ solving, start chapter wise and subject wise test. Generally these are the part which we provide in your test series also. In a test series, first we are having subject wise test. Before that subject wise test, we are having topic wise test. Then we are having subject wise test. Then we are having multiple subject test. And then we are having full length test. So you have to start giving this in this sequence. Begin linking concept across the subject. Now once the multiple subject will be completed, then you can understand that how some topic which is like, for example, flow net or any topic which you can take from your branch, how it is related to the other subject also. Because in GATE type of exam, this type of question you will find where in a particular question multiple subject concept is used. So you have to start interlinking the concept also, and that can be possible once you have completed the entire syllabus. Then only it will be possible for you. Now comes the third phase, which is the revision and mock test. And this is, I will say, the very important phase for a GATE aspirants, because many students who are not giving GATE mock test, many students who are not doing revision in a proper way, you will find maybe your senior or maybe your elders who have given the GATE exam, or maybe your seniors, even though they have completed the whole syllabus, but they are not able to get the cutoff mark also sometime because of less revision or inappropriate revision and not giving mock test, taking I will say carelessly they are using the mock test. Mock test is to improve your marks. Mock test is to enhance your capability. Mock test is to find out your mistakes, what are your negative points, that you have to find out. And for that, the phase 3 is revision and mock test, where you have to very this is basically a game changing phase for you, where revision and the mock test dominate. Okay, now once these phases you have seen, now when to start the revision? See, generally the first revision, because this general doubt many of you are asking, sir, when I will start the revision part, or how many times I have to go for revision part. First of all, again, this is the way which I am telling. I am not saying this is the only way which is possible. That should be clear in your mind. When to start revision? First revision, start subject wise revision right after the completion is subject, not after the finishing the whole syllabus. So after every subject you have to give a proper revision. Do not wait for multiple subject to complete. Full syllabus revision begins serious full length revision 4-5 months before exam. Plan at least 3 round of revision minimum. You can go more than that also. First round, quick brush up, fill gaps, note wherever you feel the weak point, you have to fill it up. Formula plus concept revision and PYQ again in the second revision. Third round, only formulas, mistakes, notebooks and shortcut. Some people or some students, they are following that in every revision they are using different questions. Like in a first revision they are revising all the DPPs, weekly test questions, practice sheet questions, and then second revision they are going for the revision of all the GATE PYQ. In a third revision they are going for revision of all ESC prelims question. So it's up to you in what way you want to proceed, but multiple phases of revision you have to plan. Okay. Now, in this revision phase, extra part which I am adding to all of you, see, whenever you are revising the subject for the first time, first time, after giving the after revising the DPP's weekly test, just to check whether you have retained the enough information about that subject or not, you have to give one topic wise test. So complete all the topic wise tests which is available for that subject, you have to complete in the first revision. Next time you have to go for the subject wise test. Next time you have to go for the multiple subject test. Next time you have to go for the full length test. Once all the subject is revised, then you can start giving the full length test. So in this way you have to use your test series for the revision purpose also, or to check whether how much you have retained about that subject, how much concept is retained in your mind. That also you can check with the test series marks. How to use your college time efficiently. This is also, I will say, very important concern, because GATE 2028 aspirants, some of you are, like many of you I will say, or all of you are in a college right now. So definitely there is a question, or sometimes some people actually think that during the college time we are not allowed to prepare, we are not having that much time. After the college completion, then only I will start preparing for the competitive exam. But it's not like that. In current situation, you will find many toppers, many rankers, they started preparing with the college classes and all. So in the college itself they started preparing, and it is very easy to do. How you have to do it? Let me tell you. First, engage yourself in revising short notes during the traveling hours. And this line is actually told by one of our ranker. Sir, whenever I am traveling from my home to the college location, and then college location to again come back home, during this traveling time I am using my notes to revise the subject. I am using my class notes to revise the subject, and that is the very good, I will say, utilization of the time. So in this way you can actually improve in this way you can use your job and college time efficiently. Now, complete theoretical, a less numerical intensive topic in the work days itself. Now what they are saying it, see, whatever the work which is given to you during the work days, maybe Monday to Friday, try to complete in that day itself so that the weekend will be completely free for you. So that the weekend, the complete, out of 7 days, the 2 days in the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, you can completely devote for your GATE preparation. And that is something what they are telling you. Now, how to use your job college, complete job work in office duration. Another thing, if somebody who is doing job, you have to complete all the job work, whether it's any pending work or anything like that, you have to complete that part in the office itself. Do not carry any workload to your home. In that way you can manage your the remaining time, whatever you are in home, that time you can manage completely for the GATE preparation. Solve practice questions or previous year questions during the weekend. So for that you have to, the first 2 which I told you, or first 3 which I told you, that you have to focus more, then only you can utilize your weekend. So utilizing a weekend, especially Saturday, Sunday, is, I will say, very important decision which you are going to take for your GATE preparation, and that is something which is going to be a life changing moment for you if you are utilizing your weekend. I'm going to add something. In weekend, I'm including the holidays also. So if you add the holidays also, again you are having many holidays, many national holidays and some maybe state-wise holidays. Whatever holidays which is provided to you, you have to utilize that holidays for the GATE preparation, at least for that year which you are serious about. If you are serious in the GATE 2028 exam, so for that 27 GATE 27, like 2027, you have to be very, very serious about holidays part, because you have to utilize them in a proper way. On long weekends, cover lengthy topics and give sample amount, like ample amount for the test series. In a long weekend, you can utilize for the revision of the lengthy topic, as well as during that phase you can give the test series also, because you will have that much time to go for a test series and then analyzing that test series marks. During preparation, the mind should be fully dedicated to the preparation, whether you sometime face difficulty or fewer marks in the test series. Whatever marks, it is ultimately see. Again, I'm telling it because already I have told you in this session that test series you are giving just to find your mistakes. Test series you are going to give just to improve in your time management skill in your GATE exam. So these are the things which we want from the test series. Do not get demotivated and super motivated or over motivated with the test series marks. So test series marks is to find your mistakes, work on them, again go for test series, work on your time management skill, then again what are the mistakes you are doing it, note it down, make sure the next test series when you are giving, don't go for that same mistake again. So these are the things which you have to focus while giving the test series part. Okay, so I think all the points regarding the preparation with the college, with the job, I have already discussed with you. Still, if somebody is feeling difficulty, sir, I need some help, so you can talk to me through this Telegram group. I will try to help you in a best possible way. So this is Mrigank, Sir PW. This is my Telegram group, where you can discuss any of your doubt regarding the preparation, regarding the technical doubt, whatever it is related to the exam, that I will try to answer. Okay, now let me give you some information about the Vishwas Diwas offer. I think all of you are aware about the Vishwas Diwas. So in this Vishwas Diwas, we are giving a, first of all, completely first time somebody is giving you this Nirmaan GATE 2029. This batch is a completely 3-year structured program, 1 year extra for the rank booster validity, with the rank booster validity, and this batches you are actually getting only in a 32,000. What are the feature of this batches? First year semester wise classes, GATE live plus recorded lectures of semesters, test series with the video solutions, personalized mentorship, GATE Khazana, DPPs with the video solution, regular test. All these things you are going to get in this, and this is, I will say, the very, very important initiative, very, very good initiative for all the engineering students who are actually lagging their conceptual knowledge, or maybe I will say they are like many of engineering students who are from tier 2 or tier 3 college. They are not good in the conceptual knowledge of their respective branch. So with this initiative, actually you will be in a position to tackle any exam related to your branch in a global level or in a national level, I will say. Okay, so now almost 56% off also you are getting because of the Vishwas Diwas. 56% off you are getting in all ESC and GATE batches, whether it is for 27 or 28. Here you can look at the prices drop, the original price and the current price, it is shown to you. So you can search your batches respective of like all the branches I am talking about. Okay, and this is a limited time offer, so you have to, if you want, you have to go for quick, like quickly you have to subscribe, quickly you have to enroll in these batches. Regarding another announcement, GATE Khazana part, I all of you are aware that this GATE Khazana is very, very helpful for all of you, and that we are providing only at 11 rupees. So again, it's a limited offer. Now for ESC Mains 2026, some of you who have qualified the prelims exam, now we have started a completely ESC Mains 2026 batch. It's a conventional practice questions batch, and that also we are giving with a very, very less fee, 2,999, And in that batches, you will get live and recorded lectures, practice question with the solutions, doubt engine option will be there, and the interview guidance. It is very, very good thing for all of you. Classes are going to start from the 9th March, so you have only 1 or 2 days left to enroll in this batches. Other than that, you are also having the ESC Mains test series, and that is something which also we have started. And complete ESC syllabus coverage will be there, multi-level test will be there for you, in-depth performance analysis, and the regular practice schedule. So this is again, I will say, very, very good initiative for those students who have qualified the ESC prelims, and for those students also who are actually preparing for the ESC exam, they can go for the ESC Mains batch separately. And the prices currently for a limited duration, the price is only 2,000. Now there is another information which I want to tell you. Many of you who have qualified the ESC prelims 2026 results are out, as you know. So you can scan this barcode and share your results with us. In that case, you are going to get free ESC Mains batch, free test series, interview guidance program, and one-to-one mentorship with the ex-IAS officers. So this is very, very good initiative which is actually given by the PW team. Simply scan this, give your basic information, and you can go for this ESC Mains batches freely, and test series also. But this is only for those who have qualified the ESC prelims exam. Okay, so that is something which is required for you. Okay. Now with this, I think all the information regarding the main topic which we have discussed regarding the preparation with college or with job, in what way, in what step you have to follow, that I have discussed. And regarding the Vishwas batch offers, that also we have discussed. In any of these two, if you are having any doubt, you can definitely discuss with me. Simply Mrigank Sir PW you can search on the Telegram, and you will find my group. There you can ask all your queries related to the exam. Okay, so with that, thank you so much all of you. We'll meet in some other session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.